Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect, and your financial growth. The Bank Promotion Exams 2026 to 2027 are your golden opportunity, and I'm here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we'll learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like the exam demos. Remember, success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start today, prepare smartly, and make your promotion in 2026 to 2027 a reality. Welcome to part 7 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026 to 2027 series, where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. The subject deposit products, deceased account. As per RBI's revised regulations dated to the 28th November 2025, under which set of guidelines were the deceased depositor settlements norms issued? A. Master Direction on KYC. B. Commercial Banks Responsible Business Conduct Directions 2025. C. Banking Regulation Amendment Rules 2025. D. Depositor Education and Awareness Fund Scheme. Answer is option B. Commercial Banks Responsible Business Conduct 2025. What is the threshold limit up to which a bank follows a simplified procedure for settlement of claims without nomination and survivorship clause? Option A rupees 10 lakhs, option B rupees 25 lakhs, option C rupees 15 lakhs, option D rupees 5 lakhs. The answer is option C rupees 15 lakhs. In case of claims without nomination up threshold limit, which document is not required to be insisted upon from a third party? Option A death certificate, B officially valid document, C bond of surety from third party, D bond of indemnity from claimant. Option C bond of surety from third party. In a joint deposit account with survivorship clause, when does the nominee's right to claim arise? Option A immediately after the death of the first depositor, B after death of all the depositors, C only after the probate is obtained, D only after 51 calendar days from death. The answer is option B after death of all the depositors. Which of the following documents is required even for claims settled under nomination and survivorship without insisting on legal documents? A. Succession certificate. B. Legal heir certificate. C. Officially valid document of nominee and survivor. D. Bond of indemnity from third party. The answer is option C. Officially valid document of nominee and survivor. Which committee is headed by Scale 5 and Scale 6 officers is competent to settle claims on the basis of unforfeited will where there is no dispute? A. Zonal Credit Level Credit Committee. B. Operational Risk Management Committee. C. Control Group. D. Audit Committee of Board. Answer is option A, Zonal Level Credit Committee, ZLCC. As per the policy, no other authority below which level shall have delegation for settlement of claims based on unprobated will. Option A, Branch Manager Scale 4B ZLCC, C FGM LCC, D SZLCC. The answer is option B, ZLCC. In cases involving contesting claims or disputes among legal heirs regarding a will, settlement shall be based on all of the following except option A probate of will, B letter of administration, C succession certificate of court order and decree, D declaration from an independent person acceptable to the bank. Answer is option D declaration from an independent person acceptable to the bank. For a missing persons case where aggregate claim amount is less than rupees 1 lakh, which documents may be accepted in lieu of death certificate or court order? Option A, only a notarized affidavit from family members. Option B, FIR, a non-traceable report issued by police authorities. C, a letter from the local municipal corporation. D, Aadhaar linked missing persons database extract. The answer is option B, FIR, a non-traceable report issued by police authorities. Who is empowered to settle missing persons claim up to rupees 1 lakh after obtaining the requisite documents? Option A, only scale 4 and above officials. B, branch managers irrespective of scale. C, only zonal manager. D, only head office designated authority. The answer is option B, branch managers irrespective of scale. Which of the following is not one of the modes of certification accepted for the proof of death document issued outside India? Option A, apostille. B, consularization by Indian Embassy and Consulate. C, certification or by a foreign notary without apostille or consularization. D, authorized officials of overseas branches of scheduled commercial banks registered in India. The answer is option C, certification by a foreign notary without apostille or consularization. In case of a non-resident depositor who passed away abroad, with which corroboratory document is acceptable along with death certificate? Option A, evidence of settlement of an insurance claim at the foreign center. B, a statement from a neighbor of the deceased. C, a letter from a private employer of any nature. D, an unauthorized declaration by a distant relative. Answer is option A, evidence of settlement of an insurance claim at the foreign center. Foreign nationals can be accepted as sureties while obtaining letter of indemnity in settlement of deceased claims. Option A, true in all cases. B, true only if claim is below threshold limit. C, false if they cannot be accepted they cannot be accepted since not governed by Indian law. D, true only with RBI approval. The answer is option C, false they cannot be accepted since not governed by Indian law. What is the time limit prescribed for a bank to settle a claim in deposit accounts of a deceased customer from the date of receipt of all required documents? Option A, 30 calendar days. tw- B, 21 working days. C, 15 calendar days. D, 7 business days. The answer is option C, 5 calendar days. If a deposit claim is delayed beyond the stipulated time frame due to reasons attributable to the bank, compensation shall be paid at a rate not less than option A, bank rate plus 2% per annum. B, prevailing rate plus 4% per annum. C, savings rate plus 1%. D, repo rate plus 3%. Answer is option B, prevailing bank rate plus 4% per annum. The reference date for reckoning the compensation amount due for delay is option A, date of death of the depositor. B, date of filing the claim form. C, date of receipt of all required documents from the claimant. D, date of sanction by competent authority. Answer is option C, date of receipt of all required documents from the claimant. Under Hindu succession law, which category of heirs takes simultaneously to the exclusion of any other legal heir? A, class 2 heirs. B, class 1 heirs. C, agnates. D, cognates. The answer is option B, class 1 heirs. Among class 1 heirs of a Hindu male dying intestate, which of this is included? Option A, paternal uncle. B, widow of a predeceased son. C, father. D, brother. The answer is option B, widow of a predeceased son. Another class 2 category of Hindu legal years, which entry contains the father option A entry 2, B entry 3, C entry 1, D entry 4. The answer is option C entry 1. If a married Hindu female dies intestate without leaving son or daughter and the property was inherited from her husband, who are the legal heirs? Option A years of of her father, B years of her husband, C years of her mother, D government by escheat. The answer is option B years of her husband. As per the Indian Succession Act applicable to Christians, if a male Christian dies intestate leaving lineal descendants, what share does the widow get? Option A one half of the property, B one third of the property, C two thirds of the property, D the entire property. The answer is one third of the property. If a Christian male intestate leaves no lineal descendant but has kindred, father, mother, brother, sister, how is the property divided? Option A entire property to the widow, B entire property to kindred. Option C one half to widow, other half to kindred, D one third to widow, two thirds to kindred. The answer is option C one half to widow, other half to kindred. Under Sunni Muslim law, which of the following is classified as an heir by consanguinity rather than by affinity? Option A husband, B wife, C true grandmother, D none of the above, as all are heirs by affinity. The answer is option C true grandmother. As per Sunni law, the heirs by affinity are restricted to option A father and mother, B husband and wife, C son and daughter, D grandfather and grandmother. The answer is option B husband and wife. Under the residuary category in Muslim inheritance law, which of this is described as always a residuary? Option A daughter, B son, C wife, D mother. The answer is option B son. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.